Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record with ClickUp in just a few minutes. Whether you're using ClickUp to manage projects, collaborate with your team, explain tasks more clearly, or simply stay organized, knowing how to record your screen directly inside ClickUp can seriously boost communication and productivity. If you've ever struggled to explain something with long messages or screenshots, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know and help you work smarter, not harder. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website, then log into your account using your email address and password. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams or projects. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your ClickUp home, where you can see your tasks, notifications, and recent activity. Follow along carefully here so you don't miss anything important. Next, look for the option to record a clip. You'll usually find this by clicking the clip or record icon within a task, comment section, or toolbar, depending on where you want to add your recording. Click on Record a Clip, and ClickUp will immediately prompt you to choose what you want to record. You'll see options like full screen, a specific window, or just the current browser tab, giving you full control over what viewers will see. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your browser has permission to use your microphone and screen, close unnecessary tabs or apps, and double-check your audio input before starting. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent awkward re-recordings later. Once you've selected your recording option, click Start Recording and begin explaining or demonstrating your process clearly and confidently. When you're finished, stop the recording, and your clip will be automatically saved inside ClickUp. After that, you should be able to share it instantly with teammates, attach it to tasks, or keep it for future reference without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to quickly preview your clip to make sure both audio and visuals are clear. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your communication professional. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to record with ClickUp easily and efficiently whenever you need to explain, report, or collaborate visually. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?